One of the more problematic types of Connecticut injury cases involve intentional acts that result in physical harm to another, where insurance coverage may not exist, thereby making the collection of any money judgment very complicated. These cases must be properly investigated to determine where and when a policy of insurance might provide coverage for the injured party. Briefly stated, an intentional tort involves an action or activity calculated to harm or offend the victim. Examples of intentional torts include assault, battery, false imprisonment, intentional infliction of emotional distress, defamation, trespass to land, and trespass to chattel, i.e., taking personal property. In certain situations, the conduct involves not only tort law, but also criminal law. A major problem with injury cases involving intentional torts is that, in many cases, there is no insurance coverage available to compensate the injured party for his or her injuries. For example, if a person assaults you and causes you serious injury, you could not successfully submit a claim to that person's homeowner's or automobile insurance company, as coverage would be denied. You would then have to look for compensation to the assets or property owned by the person who committed the tort. In many cases, the offending party will have few, if any, assets. Therefore, you would have little chance of collecting any money for your injuries. You may have a strong case in which the liability or fault of the offending party is clear, and you may also have sustained significant damages that would make your case worth a lot of money. Nevertheless, if an attorney is not able to collect any of these funds, there is no economic incentive for an attorney to take the case, because no one is likely to see any money, even if you obtain a money judgment. Our Connecticut injury lawyers answer clients' calls and emails promptly, so you get the answers to your most important questions. You can rest assured that your case will get the attention it deserves. We have office locations throughout the state of Connecticut. If you are unable to come to us, we will gladly come to you, whether at the hospital, your home, or any other location you designate. Get a copy of our free book, The Crash Course on Personal Injury Claims in Connecticut, today by calling us toll-free at 888-842-8466 or by visiting us online at www.hcwlaw.com.